John had been living and working in Canada for the past 3 years. He had been diligently filing his taxes, but this year he was feeling a bit overwhelmed. He had recently started renting out a portion of his home and was unsure of the rental income tax filing requirements. John knew he had to file taxes for his rental income, but he wasn't sure exactly what he needed to do. He had heard that Canada had special tax filing requirements for non-resident rental income, so he decided to do some research. John soon discovered that he had to file taxes under Section 216 of the Canadian Income Tax Act. He learned that he had to report his rental income, as well as any other income he received from the rental property. He also had to report any expenses related to the rental property, such as repairs and maintenance. John was relieved to have a better understanding of the rental income tax filing requirements. He was now confident that he could accurately report his rental income and expenses. He was also grateful to have the peace of mind that comes with knowing he was in compliance with the Canadian tax laws. Visit our website or call us for any questions.